Oh my goodness, look at that. I got a friend. It's so cool. I'm using, not that, I'm using my beautiful Panther Martin to fish today. Gosh, is that pretty ever? Look at that. Oh, bye buddy. There's fish number one, a nice rock bass. This Panther Martin just looks sweet. All right, let's go. Welcome to the next season of The Walking Dead. I'm going to be fishing the creek with none other than my Panther Martin. This is the lure that got me into creek fishing. I saw this Bumble Bee design and I'm like, dude, I gotta fish that. The first section of this creek is called the Shallows. There we go. Yes! Rock bass, yes! Woo! There you go. Look at that. That's awesome. Ah, yes. Right by that little log right there in the shallows. That's so cool. Nice. Yeah. Smiley. Yeah. All right, we're gonna catch 4 different species today. That's the goal. I'm confident, aren't I? I really think we can. Smallmouth and rock bass, that's what we've just caught, are givens. But there's other possibilities in here too. Bluegill, yellow perch, pumpkin seed, maybe a creek chub. There we go. Sorry, buddy. Alright, there's a smallie. Sorry, that was a harsh hook set. Yay! And this fish ends the section of the video I call the Shallows. All right, Q1 timeout. We did it. Ugh. Welcome to the bridge, people. It's Q2 of my fishing trip. You know what's by the bridge? Rock bass. This is cool. So cool. Pretty good setting, isn't it? There we go. Yeah. There we go. Rock bass, let's go. Nice. Right by that log. Hanging out. Love it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice. Ooh, that's a good one. Nice. Let's go. Nice. I knew there's something a little better here. Rock bass are so cool. See that red eye? Got that. Got the cool, almost like a checkerboard pattern on them. Big mouth. Love it. There we go. Yeah, that was tricky. I'm lucky you weren't that big. That was kind of a dumb cast. Casting in there where I have to lift you over that. Oh, gee, sorry. There we go. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, smallie. Nice. Nice. Cool. Hiding right under that log. Nice. Let's go. Look at that little guy. And smallmouth are tiny. They have that orange on their bottom fin. It looks like kind of cool. Their pattern isn't pronounced as much, but for some reason I really like that color on them. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Cool. Let's go. Whoo. Love it. Rock bass. Nice. That was a good one. You've been hiding in there somewhere, huh? All right. Here's the setup. The Iowa 750 reel. This is the ultralight setup. Got my Berkeley Cherrywood Red. This is 5'6". Light And there's my Panther Martin. This is a number 2 Panther Martin. It's very small hooks. I have my little swivel up here, and then my lure right there. Fishing like a true champion. Usually I just attach a snap swivel right there, but we're doing it the right way today. Quarter 2 is through. We're done with the bridge. I'm gonna get out of the river actually and kind of skip part of the swamp. I've waded this before and went past the bridge and almost sunk to my death. So I'm gonna go on a trail, and then when I'm done with the trail, I'll go right back in the river towards the end of the swamp. All right, come on, buddy. Not terrible. It's not good. Just gotta get a little bit into the river and I'll be good. There we go. All right. Kicked up some dust, but not too much. Oh yeah. There's fish here. Just a tiny baby smallie though. Nice. Nice. There we go. Oh, get through. Oh. Little, tiny, smallie. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. There we go. Tiny guy. Oh, geez, don't fall. Oh, he ate it. Shoot. Yeah. We're in the 4th quarter. I've caught my best fish of the trip. A smallmouth, maybe 9 or 10 inches, but it's cool. Maybe that's a sign of things to come. Hopefully, remember to push record on my GoPro now. Welcome to the woods. This is the final section of the wade. Can you tell why this is called the woods? Holy cow. I've waded this once before and there was not this many trees. I tell you that much. But, it's a workout. At least I'm getting that. Holy. One thing I want to show you that I do a lot of times now is I did it in the 53 fish video. I put that there. And then you can get me fishing while I have my camera on the rock. I hope you appreciate the effort I put in to try and get more than just the chest cam angle. Variety's the spice of life, right? My smallmouth and my weed. It's really shallow up there. Thought it was deeper, but might still be a chance it holds a good fish. Oh, there's my smallmouth. Common shiner! Look at this! I haven't caught one of these in a while. Heck yeah! Look at that! We're closer to the 4 species now. Yeah, this is a common shiner. How cool is that? Let's go! Nothing finer than a shiner. There. Oh, there. Nice. There we go. Yes. Rock bass, yes. Nice. Look at that guy. Hey, okay. That's what's in there. There we go. Yeah. Rock bells. What's up, buddy? Okay. I hope that's somebody's tube. I don't really think I should clean that up. Oh yeah, it's tied up. Okay, it's tied up. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. Yes. Did I get a 12-incher? Did I get a 12-incher? That's a nice smallie, but I don't think he's a 12-incher. This is how you measure a fish accurate, you guys. It's called a bump board because the lip has to bump against it and it has to be shut. So, see, there's the shut lip. This one is, ooh, if I could pinch it out, 10.5. And that's how you do it. Hey, there you go. There he goes. Nice. Whew. Not winning on this mission so far. I've got 3 species. I've caught 20 fish, but not a 12-incher. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, I hope I didn't catch the same fish. Yeah, let's go. No, that's not 12. We'll check it. Oh, 10.25. Okay. I'm a failure. It didn't happen for me today. I got 2 of my 4 goals accomplished. I got a workout. I caught more than 20 fish, but only 3 out of 4 species I was hoping to catch, and I didn't catch a 12-incher. Either way, thanks for watching. Push good button. See